Ever have that happen to you? Where if you let go of the foot, the door just comes smashing at you with the wind? Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that right now. Like magic. Ever have this happen to you? Well, I took the bolt out. That's why it happened. So what I have to do, take this one on a 20 Odyssey. And what we're going to do is fold this back, and we're going to use this as a way to know what this one was. This one's completely missing. You bought it like this. So fortunately for you, yours could be broken, and you have the bolt. And since we have all these bolts, we don't know what's going to fit. So I took the factory one out. And took a bolt that would match up threads so I can know what the new bolt, which is very, very, very similar in color to the factory. This, I think, is from a Nissan. But we don't care because we just want to make sure the threads are correct. See that? Now, to know what we need is this one. Now we know which threads are the ones needed. So if you take this, since this is kind of a little harder than... There you go. Now we know this bolt will fit without stripping. Or you can get a smaller one, it won't fit at all. So let's get started. Got to take the door panel off. Let's do that. Amp screwdriver, check. Door, check. This I already took out. Same thing. Go in the corner right here. Pop this out. Phillips head. Now, let's get them out and we'll play around. Alright, 1, 2, and 3. Go in the corner, pop this puppy out, pop him out, pull him straight towards you. And we're going to do, come on. And this puppy comes along with, so thank you for that. And we are one plug away from the door panel being removed. So let's do that and put him in a safe place. Put him in a safe place? Put him in a safe place. I know. Inside the car. Ta-da. Now, we have to get our hands in there. How do we get our hands in there? We have to remove this guy out of the way. Be easier. Put a screw out. Yeah. Come on, puppy. Come on. Come on. We gotta get our hands in there. We got our big doofy hands in there. Now, since this guy is already taken out, I'm gonna take the two 10 mils out. I already loosened them up. Now, which way does she go? This way? No. I say it is this way. We have to go up and out. Let's see. Oh, whoa, whoa. Is this the way it works? Is it? Let's see. I think we have to make this guy straight. Let's see. Ooh. Or what? There you go. Just gotta weasel it in. Line up the holes. Alright. Now we got the two 10 mils that it came with. Let's see. Can we do this with one hand? Hell no, right? What do you think? What are you thinking? Think you do it with one hand? What do you think? Think I'm that good or what? Let's get this guy. Meet him up. One hand, word. Check this out. Let's see. Is it catching? Look at this. If I can do it with one hand, no way. No way. Look at this. If I can do it with one hand, you can do it with two. Yep. See that? Now it's gonna match up the holes. Come on. Look at this. One hand, baby. This is real time. Now we got a 10 mil. Let's do more one hand. There we go. You can use a ratchet and socket. That's what we're gonna do. Now this guy, let's see. Come on, puppy. This is a lot harder than you think with one arm and all the door leverage against you. So let's take our nut out that we used, and we're going to use this puppy as a way. Now, I guess I gotta use both hands. Let's do this. Ooh, there you go. Is it gonna match? Is it gonna reach? Alright, so this we need two hands for. Alright, so I scrunched myself in the door with my leg completely stretched open. And the guy loves this bucket. I'm gonna start selling these soon. This thing is awesome. By hand, Wesley. By hand. Start the threads. By hand. We want to make sure we don't strip anything. Alright, now I got tight. Now, can we open the door? There we go. Can we open the door some more? There we go. Alright. Now we got room. So there you have it. We're going to put this guy back with the one-handed. Yes. Alright. See that? Now it closes whenever it catches. I like it. There we go. Put the speaker back. And we're going to put the door panel back because we need to show you everything on this one. This one is a complete full D and re. Alright. That's what we're going to do. Alright, did you really need to see me do that? Door panel back in your hand. There we go. Check this puppy out. Complete installation from front to back. Now we're going to put the door panel back, put the handle in place, and since it's Honda, it always goes back easily. Just line them up, push, line them up, push, or kick, either way. Put your last 3 screws in, and you are good to go. Oh yeah, don't forget to put the other bolt back in. I'm gonna go do that now, but you need to see that. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.